You're recording.
Alright, awesome.
I should probably put my Belayer device on there.
That'd be good.
Uh-oh.
Nice. Probably a barge going by.
Oh, I was going to say that was rain. I was like, no, please don't.
No. Just a wake.
Okay.
Alright. First attempt at the nose.
Do you know where you're going?
In the dark, in the rain. Yeah, pretty much.
Alright.
I might have to go around left right here just to find the dry patch.
Hey, can you just give me a little light here to make sure this is all?
Yeah. Good. Yep.
Alright, looks good.
Alrighty. Let's do this.
Still a longer climb than the other one, for sure.
Yeah. Let me get this out of the way. Alrighty.
I know. Hold close on.
Ready?
Hey, is it tight on you?
Try and pull a little more. Yeah.
Nice. I'd rather keep it tighter than...
Oh yeah. For this climbing, yeah, definitely. Alright, let's see here. Something dry. There we go. There's still chalk up here.
Huh.
Oh, that rock is loose. Not using that.
You can go to the right of that or the left of that?
The route goes to the right, but it's really
super
wet.
Oh, that way.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to go left. Can you give me a little slack?
Yeah.
Is it over?
I can't see it. Go right up there.
Alright, just a second.
Let me pull it in or?
Hold on. In a second. Alright, does it look like the rope is around the nose on my side now?
Yeah, pretty much for the most part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright, tension. Alright. Nice.
Is it big?
Yeah. Come on. Alright, now I gotta find room to stand up.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
You go back to the right side now or you go to the left?
I think I'm gonna stay left until I get over this bump because it's still pretty soaked over there.
It's starting to rain.
Yeah, I know.
It's starting to come down.
If it comes down much harder, I'm gonna have to lower.
Alright.
But right now, I'm good.
We got strength on.
Yeah. I'll hand signal the lower if I need it.
Okay.
Like this is what I'll do.
Alright.
This will mean tension.
I can't see that.
You can't see that? Like right fist means tension,
Okay.
Left hand pointing down means lower.
Alright.
Shoot, I just saw a really big bug go into the hole I want.
Yeah.
Alright, it's gone. It's drenched up here, dude. I've had a dry hole in like 2 minutes. Oh shit, those are the rings right there.
You close?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got it. Alright. Lower me slow. Slower than that. Yeah. Keep going. That was awesome.
That was really good how you built that.
It's wet, but it's got good holds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. Nice. Do it clean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
I wasn't really on the route the whole time though. I kind of went to the left and the right.
You gotta drop off from it.
Yeah.
Whatever. Pretty impressed that you got up.
Oh, hold up, stop. That's a gigantic motherfucking spider right here. If someone else climbs it,
Like how big are we talking?
so, like,
Quarter
2 inches long.
Damn. That's
Almost 2 inches long.
Is that the one you almost put your hand?
So, not really, no. I climbed out this way, which is off route really.
Let's try.
If you stay on route, you're going right for this spider. You see it right there?
No. Wow.
You see that guy?
Wow. He's in a web?
Yeah,
Holy shit.
and he's a big one. So definitely go this way.
Well, I mean, he's not super poisonous or venomous because ground recluses don't make
Webs? Alright, good.
It's too big to be a black widow, so.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, Lauren?
Yeah. I would still climb to the left if I were you guys.
Yeah, but, I mean.
That was sick though.
Yeah, dude, that was a nice climb.
That was an awesome
That's a long
climb.
one, too. Like,
It's really, really wet. Like you're gonna go for a while without any dry holds.
let me hit you GoPro here.
Yeah. But